President Emerson Mnangagwa's address at the burial of the late national hero, retired Brigadier General Pandasekwa Mjeri, at the National Heroes Acre on Monday, once again exposed the government's reliance on symbolic ceremonies to project strength, while the country remains gripped by economic and social decline. Salabina Mashoko, Bangwa Ine, Shonzi Emerson Mnangagwa's empty words echo at Heroes Acre, and subscribe all icon on the bell icon. Tipita Mobile Compsins in his remarks, Mnangagwa hailed Mjeri as a disciplined and patriotic son of the soil, urging young people to emulate his hard work and professionalism. However, the president's familiar tone and repetitive rhetoric drew criticism from citizens who see such events as political theater rather than genuine national reflection. We gather here again at our sacred national shrine, said Mnangagwa, delivering yet another speech that echoed those he has given countless times before. For many Zimbabweans, the message offered no new version, only a reminder of how disconnected the government has become from the realities ordinary people face daily. Analysts noted that Mnangagwa's habit of turning state funerals into political platforms is worn thin. Their speeches are predictable, praise the hero, involve patriotism, and ignore the suffering in the streets, said one political observer. People are tired of the same script while the economy crumbles. As inflation continues to rise and basic services deteriorate, Zimbabweans have grown increasingly frustrated with the leadership that appears focused on ceremony over substance. Even some within ZANU-PF circles quietly admitted that these events are losing their emotional and political impact. Despite the solemn occasion, many felt that Mnangagwa's words lacked sincerity, serving more to reinforce his political image than to honor the true spirit of the national service. Yet another hero is buried. The nation's collective grief is compounded by a growing sense that ideals of which these heroes fought have been betrayed, and that the president's speeches, no matter how often repeated, can no longer drown out the echo of disillusionment. Thomas Kwaripopangwa ine vanhu vachiti aiwa maspeeches emutungamiri wenyika achinyatso kuratidza kuti aiwa ari kuuya achichema aiwa vaari kuviga, but panguva ine unokuwa the same script iri kungoshandiswa as a political tool just to praise the hero, invoke patriotism and ignore suffering in the streets. Tutse mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Nakumese kuchembedza mafunguro enyu, musana kusubscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.